The Nokia C series is a set of phones generated at persons who want limited features and limited functionalities at an economic rate. One among such phones is the Nokia C101, which has features like 1.8 inches TFT display, memory expandability up to 32 GB, GPRS, Bluetooth, camera, stereo FM radio, etc. It has an internal memory of 10 MB with 16 MB RAM and 64 MB ROM, which can accommodate up to 1000 phone book entries and fields. The storage capacity is expandable up to 32 GB, which can hold enough number of songs, videos and data files. The connectivity options include GPRS, Bluetooth and USB port, which, though minimal, caters to the essential requirements of remaining connected to the internet. The built-in Opera Mini browser is an apt platform for web page browsing and maintaining email accounts. The phone can share and receive data from other mobiles and devices using Bluetooth and USB connectivity. The camera clicks fairly good images in 600 x 480 pixels resolution, and video capturing is possible at 10 frames per second. For a basic requirement of capturing unforgettable events and moments, this camera really proves to be a good option since it is very portable and has enough storage capacity. The multimedia player plays MP3, WAV and AAC formats. Playing music and videos is indeed a pleasure and matter of entertainment. The stereo FM with RDS and FM recording option adds to the benefit of enjoying as well as taping on-air programs. The handset is powered by a standard 800 mAh lithium-ion battery that extends talk time up to 10 hours and 30 minutes and standby capacity up to 504 hours. This is certainly a good battery backup, which ensures that it will not drain away during long conversations or travels or important browsing times. The Nokia C101 comes in a striking design with curved casings and subtle color combinations. It is available in vibrant colors like dark grey, warm grey, red and midnight blue. The design in total is very compact and cute so that it can be tucked into the pocket or carried comfortably in the palm. The charger port and the USB port are located on the right pane, and the 3.5 mm audio jack is placed on top for ease of operation. Below the display screen, there is the soft key panel with a traditional 5-way navigation keypad. Altogether, Nokia C101 is a pretty and practical phone with optimum functionalities and available at an economic price. Indeed, a pride to the Nokia family.